Hi guys, we're doing unboxing a hamper from John Lewis. We get this hamper every year from John Lewis. So my husband actually just dropped this box. Every year we get a hamper, and also every year it's different what's inside the box. So this is my first time actually to do unboxing a hamper from John Lewis, and I have so many collection already of basket hamper as well. I collect all that. As you can see, the back of the Christmas tree, that's from John Lewis hamper as well. So that's that. So shall we start? So recording, right? Okay, let's unbox this hamper from John Lewis. And also I'm wearing my onesie, my unicorn. Dito lang naman sa bahay eh. At saka it's cold and I just want to feel, you know, at home, cozy. The fireplace is on. Yeah, actually it's already open there. My husband already take it out, and then he cannot wait for me. He knows that I like to unbox things. So I put it back again. Just for the sake of this video, I put it back again inside. So I can unbox that for you guys. You guys nosy and like unboxing, right? So here's the card. This is from, did I tell you already, this is from one of my husband supplier. We get quite a lot freebies. Very nice. So shall we always got you don't see it guys, but don't worry, ipapatong ko na lang siya. Yeah, mabigat siya. O ayan. So every year I have this hamper, which I collect, by the way, because what I do, I've always reuse this hamper, and I guess you can do quite a lot of things about it. Storage something. So ay, kapoy maning mag-vlog. Uy, right. That's the inside. So let's see what's inside. Oh, these words I cannot see. Pods. So there's a tablet, which is, my son will love this one. That. And then chocolate brownies. So most of the time they have some, you know, good for sit in front of the fire after your Christmas dinner. So this chocolate is probably going to be my husband, because I'm not a chocolate lover. Some cheddar, probably my son and my husband, they love snacking. And what else? Oh, there's plenty. You know, this foamy stuff. I should keep this one for packaging, right? Oh, crunchy craving. It must be a nut. Yeah, something peanuts. It's good for having a wine and all that. You know, when everyone's at home, then that's that. And of course, the Christmas pudding. That's that. Pero ayoko siya guys, too heavy for me. So again, that's from my husband. I will probably cook biko, sticky rice pudding desserts, a Filipino desserts, or leche plan. for me because they don't really eat that. And so that's for them this year. Every year, like I said, I'm not buying any more Christmas pudding because I know we always get a hamper from John Lewis. So that's that. Oh, ito pala yung Christmas pudding. The same thing. Yung parang, ano ba yung lagyan mo ng whiskey, tapos tindihan mo ng lighter, tapos, ganun. That's explanation, right? That. Right, okay. That's that. We normally get a wine. Oh yeah, talking about wine. Yes, we have. Yes, my husband always get a white wine. He used to be a red wine. Now he switched to a red wine. Oh, sorry, white wine. Noon siya man siya. Di man siya magtarong lagi. Pagtarong diya vlog ba? Butang nato di kay mo kita. Yeah. Again, I don't have knowledge when it's come to wine because I'm not I don't drink alcohol. Well, I drink now, but it's only for tilaw-tilaw ba. Maura na. So tilaw-tilaw ra ko sa mga inumin, but I'm not really a drinker. So that's that. Balik natin kasi dapat pinicturan ko muna yung sa ano no, sa basket. And I said men's luxury, mince pie. So this in UK we get mince pie. In Philippines we get bibingka. Kanang isugba sa ano. So here mince pie, but in Philippines bibingka. Kanang kuan ba? Bibingka made of ano, sticky rice, I think. Another wine. I think this is red wine. Yeah, it's red wine. I probably give this one to Andy and Alma. They are my neighbor, by the way. So if anything that my husband don't drink and I don't drink, I'll give it to Andy and Alma. So lucky for them, meron sila pamasko. So I always give it to them. They're always, you know, good to me as well. And this is probably the mango chutney, I think. Mango chutney. We always get this one. Right. I think that's it, guys. No more. Right. I'm gonna put it back inside the basket so I can take a picture. I hope I can put it. Right, anyway, that's that.